from Adhya's Active Box, and today I'm going to show you my 2020 garden. So the first flower I'm going to start with is with this bush of lots of pretty flowers. So these flowers last a long time and they look so pretty. Me and my whole family love these. They look so pretty with this light purple, and as you see here, it's almost as tall as me. So I'm moving on to the next flower because I have a lot to go, and this is one of them. 3, 2, 1, action. Here are the yellow roses. Aren't they a pretty color? They look so beautiful. Here are the pretty pink teacup roses. Aren't they pretty? Guess how many we have onto the bush? Not 1, not 2, not 3, but you will see. This is a nice red lil plant, and the ants really love climbing on it. Right here we have a dark pink, and they look so beautiful. Right here is a teacup rose, and guess how many it has? Not 1, not 2, not 3, but you will see. It's so impressive how one little bush can grow these many flowers. And behind it, we have a bird bath. This is a little butterfly visiting our garden. It really likes our flowers. We have one more visitor. Can you see both of them? There's one flying, and now where's the second one? Did you guess it? It's on this daisy. So here's the strawberry bush. So right here you see there's some strawberries coming. I really love this bush because it's easy to maintain and it comes back every year. So we don't eat these, but we love to feed them to our squirrels and rabbits that live in our backyard. I love to feed them, they love to come back. Look how small this flower is, and it looks so pretty. Next we have this white pretty rose. We also have this little dragonfly, and it's really nice when the wind blows it up and down. Next we have this red rose. It's like the white one I showed you. See how big these flowers are. And look how many there are. And we also have the same one, but fly, and it does the same thing. It bounces up and down when the wind comes, and it looks so pretty. And now we have a friend butterfly. Here we have this pretty orange flower. It's the first one for this plant. Last year we bought this one at the end of the season, so we didn't see any flowers. So this year, the first flower appeared. here we have this pretty red rose, and there's so many flowers. And we also have the same one across from it. Here's the pink rose bush. It's one of the rose collection in our garden. This is the biggest flower in our garden. Look how big it is. And we don't just have one flower. Look how many we have. So this is a little pretty yellow flower. And look, this looks like a heart. You see it? Next we have this pretty violet flower. Here are some pretty Tenki's flowers. And look how nice they look. And look how pretty. And also look how colorful. This is my favorite one. Next we have this pretty flower. It has a beautiful violet color. This is another pretty grass collection in our garden. I also really like these leaves. They have a pretty design. Look how big this flower is! And look how many there are! We have some new buds. Do you see how pretty these purple flowers are? This tree is definitely the hit of our garden. Do you see all these flowers? They're so pretty. This is the same flower that's on my dress. So this is the next one. This is super pretty. I love its color. It gives our garden a little pop and it's super bright. This is the same creeper that I showed you earlier, but slightly darker in color. Next is this pretty bright flower. It stands out in our garden and it attracts lots of bees. So this is our tomatoes. As you see, there's little like tomatoes here. There's also little small baby ones here. And you can also see some more here and here. And you can also see little baby flowers for the tomatoes. We also have another one here. You can see some more flowers back there. And you can see some more tomatoes here. And this is a mint. These are mint flowers. So this is another of my favorite flowers. I like it because of its color and the shape of its petals. White is always pretty. I hope you like our garden. I want to end this video off with another plant. I hope you have fun gardening.